Welcome to Atlanta, Georgia. Today's video is gonna be an interesting one. We just hit 100% off our next gen Roadster, thanks to all of you that bought Teslas using our referral code. I'm so excited. So here's the dilemma, and here's why I am in Georgia right now. I put $50,000 down on the opening week for the next gen Roadster. This is my receipt, we did it. I would like to take that $50,000 and buy a first generation Roadster. That money was supposed to be for a Roadster. I found one in Georgia that's only $35,000. It's white, it's a 2010, it only has 6,000 miles. We might have a next gen Roadster that we can make cool videos on and have fun. Let's go check out this Roadster. I've never been in one before. Let's do it. So behind me is the 2010 Tesla Roadster. It only has 6,000 miles on it, and it's listed for sale for $35,000. Let's check this thing out. Here's how you access it in the back. If you open it up, you've got the Tesla Motors battery pack, which actually looks like it's in good shape, at least the cover on it. Serviced by authorized personnel only. Warranty void if seal is broken. Is that broken? Doesn't feel broken. Look at this area right here. It looks like it was in an accident. They had to take that out. Here's your wall charger. It looks pretty simple. Regular wall charger, and then the other side of it is this giant metal connection. That's how you open it right there. It's a little tricky to get inside of it because I am tall. This was not made for people that were tall, really, but I fit once I get in. It's strange to have a Tesla that has a normal key, but it does. Okay, is it on? I think it's on. There's your range to 6,500 miles. Push to start. This is new. 2010 was the first year that they put the push button into here. And it actually does have a touchscreen on it. World's smallest car touchscreen. Activating valet mode. I still had that back then. Very strange to see a Tesla with a parking brake. But yes, the Tesla has a parking brake. Traction control. Are those seat warmers? It has seat warmers even. One thing I like is all the carbon fiber right here. It's a nice touch to it. Carbon fiber right there. Carbon fiber right there. And there's no back seat in this guy. This is something really funny. Check this out. Lumbar support is this that you squeeze. And as you squeeze it, the lumbar comes out. And then if I push this little button right here, the air comes out of it. That's funny. While this is a great car and a classic, and I want to have a Roadster, I've got to take my $50,000 and buy another Roadster. I just don't know if this is the one. This has a salvage title, and Tesla has a very strange policy to where they will not even service, not even touch a Tesla that has a salvage title. So I was thinking maybe I could have Zach from Jerry Rig Everything buy this with me and maybe we could fix it up. Not only will Tesla not fix it, but you can't even go on your own and buy the Tesla parts and then fix it yourself. I don't know about that. I love Tesla, but that one is a bit strange to me. How do you, in good conscience, buy a car that has been in an accident that seems to run fine, but you can never fix it if it breaks? You have to find the parts on a secondary market, which secondary market is tough when they only made 2,200 of these Tesla Roadsters. How many of them are out there in the salvage yard that have parts that you can buy? It's a really tricky thing. If your battery pack dies, you can't even get a battery pack. So I'm a little confused with that one. The other bad thing is that this one, even though I call the head, it does have a flat, so they're not even gonna let me drive it. I gotta find myself a different Tesla Roadster, I think, because this one's just gonna be too much of a trouble for me. This Roadster was listed for $35,900, which is pretty low. The lowest price that they can go is in the low 30s. They bought this thing at a car auction. I'm sure they looked online and saw that Tesla Roadsters are selling for around $50,000. They probably got this thing in the 20s, but because these guys don't do Teslas that often, and a lot of people wouldn't know that the Roadsters can't be serviced if they've been a salvage title, that puts them in a really tough spot. My prediction is these guys aren't gonna be able to sell this car, they're going to have to sell it back at auction sometime, get their money's worth, and then decide, don't ever buy salvage Tesla Roadsters anymore. I want to buy a Tesla Roadster. I'm going to reach out to some more places. I'm gonna get the heck out of Georgia today and go all the way back to Utah. It was a good trip. I still haven't driven a Roadster. I was able to sit in one. So the journey to getting your Tesla Roadster starts now. I'm more amped than ever after finding one that's a good price and then not being able to buy it. So, tricky, tricky, tricky. Okay, time to find me a Roadster.
This is a Roadster that Elon Musk was flying in the space?
This is it.